Hello everybody, welcome to Larry's Fountain Pen. I'm Larry the Pen Bug Guy. Today's going to be a little bit of a different kind of video. Excuse me. It's going to be an unboxing video of some stuff I got in the mail a few days ago and today. So what do you say, let's open it up, and then down the road I'll be doing a review on these pens. So let's get started. And this one comes from Amazon. And this is how I receive packages from Amazon. And this is what I received from Amazon. The Schaefer Star Wars Darth Vader pen. And I had to get this off Amazon because I went back to Office Depot and they were completely out. So this one and the
R2-D2.
Thank you. And the
Yoda.
And last but not least, the
Pilot Stormtrooper.
Yes, what they call the Stormtrooper, because it looks white and, you know, reminds them of Star Wars. So I'll be doing a review and a presentation of all four of the pens together down the road. So keep an eye on that. We're working on the music and how we're going to set it up and present it. So it'll be kind of cool and kind of interesting, okay? Now, this is what I got in today. It's just like Christmas, so it's time to cut it open. There we go. And this is kind of an interesting package. I'll tell you why in a minute. And I better save that. This is how it comes from the seller. And I won't tell you what it is yet until you see it. Get that visual look going on. Here we go. Oh, looky there. Comes nicely packed. And this is taped in and secured in. So I'm impressed. As you can see, won't fall out. That's interesting. So, the seller really made sure that this pen was going to be well packed. Now, this one came from Spain, from the seller. They're out of Spain, and they did a great job to keep this package, because you know how they, at the post office, your products in your box are getting thrown here and there, and sometimes they come damaged, the boxes, so no damage whatsoever, and a great job on packaging this pen securely. So now, here's the pen. You ready? It's a Vanscotti, correct? Here we go. And here it is. Mr. Announcer.
It is the Van Gogh Pollard Willows.
For those of you that have subscribed to my channel, you might or might not remember this. Or for those new subscribers, this is the pen I had last year. And I sold a lot of my pens, several of my Vanscottis, so I could buy a whole new line of other pens. Well, I went to a restaurant, long story short, never got to use them, and they got stolen. So I'm not going to be able to buy all the pens I sold, but I'm going to buy what I can when I can, and this is one of them. Beautiful fountain pen. The Van Gogh collection is, Van Gogh is one of my favorites. The whole line is. And I don't know if you have kept up with it or not, but the Van Gogh Rembrandt had a major uplift on the under the hood. The nibs are supposed to be better. They are still in-house made. Different size nibs, I believe, a 1.5. But it's going to have extra fine, I believe. And they're supposed to write a truer extra fine and fine, but still with that rich flow. They had a pen uplift, new colors for the Rembrandt, and they're going to be a little bit more pricey, but not bad, because I haven't seen a big price increase for some time. And this, well, the last time I saw the pen price of the new ones that have come out are what, $189. So maybe you've seen the new ones that have come out, and there's still a few more that's going to come out. So I thought I'd give you a heads up on that. All right, now let's go to another one. Here is another package that I got in today. And I have been waiting for this one. And I'll feed you some stories about this one. Cross. Probably thinking, oh, it's a Cross pen, right? Well, you're close. This is how it comes back from Cross. Here we go. So we can all look at this together. And let me look at my nib. And this is the 18K gold nib, the medium nib. And the story about this nib is I had to send my Cross pen back to Cross to, they could fix it, lifetime warranty. Because when you turn the barrel, the whole converter would turn and all the ink would come out. So they did that and they sent it back, and I got looking at the pen before I inked it up, and I noticed that the nib was different. So I examined the nib, and I found out that it wasn't the gold nib. It was just a gold-plated medium steel nib. So I got on the phone, called Cross, spoke with Donna, and she said, let me check with the person that put your pen back together and see if they have all the pieces on the table. Well, long story short, they sent me a new 18K gold nib, and I really want to thank Cross for doing a great job. They stick to the word. They stick true to the warranty. Cross really stands behind all their work. A lifetime guarantee, lifetime warranty. Well, this is one of them right here, but I've had other pens that have been repaired and replaced by Cross. So that's a big plus in my book for Cross. Well, folks, that's going to wrap this show up for the unboxing of an early Christmas. Later. Peace.